If a joist has been cut for plumbing or a tub and you are unsure of the impact on structure, call a structural engineer. When assessing a cut joist, start by identifying whether the joist is load-bearing by tracing loads to bearing walls or beams and checking for continuous members spanning supports. Measure the depth and length of the cut and compare that to the joist depth. Small notches at the top or bottom edge can greatly reduce capacity, so document exact dimensions. Look for nearby signs of distress such as sagging floors, cracks in finishes, or shifting gaps around windows and doors, as these indicate redistributed loads. For short boring holes less than 1/4 of the depth and away from supports, most joists remain safe, but holes nearer mid-span or within 1/4 of the span from supports deserve extra scrutiny. If you plan to remove more than 1/4 of the joist depth or notch near the top or bottom edge, reinforce immediately by sistering a new joist of equal or greater depth and full span bolted with through bolts and construction adhesive, or by installing a properly sized steel plate or beam beneath following engineered details. Always document your measurements, take photos, and avoid temporary fixes that rely on nails alone because structural repairs need through bolts or engineered connectors to restore capacity. The three most common mistakes are underestimating the effect of notches and holes, which often leads to under-reinforcement. So measure and reinforce with a full-depth sistered joist or engineered plate as indicated. Second mistake is assuming a spanning member is non-load-bearing because it does not rest on an obvious beam. Verify load paths, and if uncertain, consult a structural professional before cutting further. Third mistake is using improper fasteners and short stitch plates, which create a false sense of security. Use full-length connectors through bolts or engineered brackets and follow the engineer recommended layout. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share real repair experiences and ask questions. We help contractors find work by listing projects and enabling direct conversations so our community can make informed decisions together.